Okay, like we are discussing all these points here. So Python is what? It is a programming language. So Python is a programming language. Okay, or it is what? A scripting language. Scripting language. Python is a programming language or it is a scripting language. Using a programming language or scripting language, so what we do, we write the programs. Write what here? Programs. We write the programs. What is a program? Program is a set of instructions. Program is what here? Set of instructions. Okay. What is the meaning of instructions here? Instructions are the statements. Okay. Statements which we write inside the program. Statements which you write inside the program, right? So I think here, okay, writing, yeah, yeah. So program is what here? Set of instructions. Like that, instructions are the statements which we write inside the program. Now, using a programming language, what we do? Using programming language, we write the programs. We write the programs for what? To develop the softwares or applications. Softwares are what here? Applications. Clear? So this is a purpose of what? Programming language. Like that, Python is one of the popular programming language. Okay, in the current trend. Like that, we also have some different other programming languages like C language, C++, 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 then Java, PHP, and also .NET and etc. We have many programming languages. Among these, Python is one of the what? Popular programming language. So why we have to learn Python? Why we have to learn Python and why Python is becoming popular here? Because we have some reasons here. So what are the reasons? Okay, what are the reasons why Python is becoming popular? Okay, now see. We have certain reasons here. The reason is what here? First one, Python we are using in the latest technologies. Latest technologies. So what are the latest technologies here? Machine learning. Machine learning. Right? Machine learning. AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. And next what? IoT stands for Internet of Things. Internet of Things. Okay. And like that, data science. One more is there. Data science. Okay, it is also one of the popular technology, a current movement. Like these are all the latest technologies, sir. All these are latest technologies. In all these latest technologies, we are using what here? Python scripting or Python coding here. Python coding. That's why Python is becoming very, very popular. It is one reason. It is one of the popular and this is the most important reason, sir. This is only most very, very important reason why Python is becoming popular. Because tomorrow, if anybody want to go for machine learning, or if anybody want to learn about machine learning developer or AI developer or IoT developer, data science developers, they must and should, okay, they must and should have the idea of about what? Python scripting. This is must, sir. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, tomorrow if you want to go for all these, compulsory Python scripting is required, sir. Python is very, very easy. Okay, in these technologies, we are going to use that Python scripting. That's why many people who want to go for this, okay, who want to learn this and who want to become developers of all this, they are learning what here? Python, sir. They are learning the Python. So you decide why you are learning Python. After Python, okay, what you want to become. Okay, only through Python also you will be having the jobs are outside, but just less by comparing to this. Once after learning Python, Python related some, okay, Python related some what so technologies are there like this. All these are Python based technologies or Python related technologies are there. If you learn Python related technologies, then you will be having the more opportunities than learning instead of only Python. Okay, na? Than learning what here instead of learning what only Python. I hope you understood very well. Okay, now so that after completion of the Python, then you can decide, okay, what you want to choose. Clear now? And the second here, one more thing here, along with this Python, we are also using where means web development. It is also okay. It is also very important. You know, most of the freshers, they are eligible to what go for this web development. Okay, because even though some, for example, some employees will be there who are already working in some companies. Okay, now so mostly it is bad experienced people, it is bad to go for this one. However, freshers also can learn these technologies, it's not a problem. Okay, now but I prefer freshers means it is, freshers are experienced people, they are eligible to go for what here web development, Python based web developments, you can do that. Okay, now but however anybody can learn this, because I'm talking according to what requirements presently in outside market. Companies, how companies are asking presently, experienced people are, freshers people are, like that. Okay, so especially here freshers means okay, Python plus Python web development, Python based web development, mostly freshers. But however freshers also are eligible to learn these are also, sir, you can learn. Okay, and you can get the experience. Understood? That is depends on requirement, company people are asking. But however in the future anybody anybody can learn this, anybody can start development of all these, but presently it is happening. Okay, most of the companies are asking the experience on these first of all, like 5 years, 10 years, at least 3 years, like that they are asking. Okay, now but however it's not a problem, putting the experience and all this, it's not a problem, sir. If you have some effort like that, it's not a big problem. Otherwise you can also go for web development, it's very easy, anybody are eligible for what eligible for eligible for what here, learning this web development. Like if you want to go for web development here after Python, what you have to do, you have to go for Django or Flask. These are what, these are the web framework, okay, web framework technologies. Using these web frameworks, Django or Flask, we can design the web applications like Amazon, Flipkart, okay, IRCTC, bookmyshow.com, Gmail, such a type of web applications. Okay, if you want to develop, okay, after Python you can go for Django or Flask. Most of the companies are asking presently, sir, Django, Python plus Django. Okay, so that's why this is easily, even freshers, sir, freshers who are already, I mean recently who completed BTech or degrees, otherwise who are pursuing BTech or degree, okay, for them it is best suitable, web development, it is best suitable. Okay, so you also can find the jobs, freshers also can find the jobs for this. Understood? So because instead of this, okay, freshers they can understand this very easy, sir, they can enjoy also. So freshers are eligible means, however experienced people also can go for this, no problem at all. Okay, now right, so that I prefer, if you ask to me, if anybody freshers are there in this means, it is better to go for what here, web development, sir. Okay, now so you can easily understand, because if you do not want to take heavy risk like that, and if you want to go like coding easy format like that, means it is better to go for web development. Very easily you can design the application, web applications here after Python. Okay, now no, sir, I have an interest in this area means, okay, it's not a problem, you can go for this, like robotics, machine learning. Okay, if you want to I mean if you want to become a robot developers, data scientist like that, data analysis like that, you can go for different water technologies here, depends on requirement, that is your wish. So after Python you can decide until that, okay, until end of, because Python will take some time. So after learning Python, there are so many Python based, so many technologies are available, sir. Here I am showing some commonly, okay, commonly and regularly, presently leading one I am showing to you. Presently leading one I am showing to you. Okay, that's it. Now, so Python also we can use for what? Desktop applications, right? You also can design the desktop applications. The desktop application means the softwares which you can install in our personal computer, okay, or laptop. Whatever the softwares you are going to install in your computer or laptop, such type of softwares are what's a desktop applications. So some of the desktop applications also you can design. Okay. For example, see desktop application examples are what? For example, calculator. Whenever you open the, for example, let me open this Windows, right? Let me open here. Do we have calculator here? Can I? Yeah, calculator. For example, see, it's a calculator. This is there, right? Yeah. You also can design this type of calculators using the Python coding. This is what, this is under what? Desktop application. Okay, for this internet facility, all these are not required. Okay, but however, it is coming by default along with Windows. Along with Windows. Some apps or some softwares you are going to install in your system. Those are also comes under the desktop applications. So this type of calculators also, or this type of applications also, you can design using what here? Python coding. Okay, for that you'll be having separate module is there. In Python, we have a separate module is called, Tkinter. Okay, one module is there. You are going to understand later. Okay, Tkinter one module is there. Using that, this type of tools you can design. Okay, that is possible. In our course also we can cover that. In the course also we can cover that. Okay, right. So, like Python, we can use in different areas. Different areas we are going to use. Like okay, now and also one more reason is what? The Java developers, Java or .NET developers, .NET developers, okay, and some other developers, PHP developers, all these people also going for what here? Python coding, because to update their existing projects, okay, they are using what here? Python coding. Python coding they are using, sir, all these people. That's why these people are also ready to learn what here? Python scripting. Okay, and one more is Python is very, very easy. Some other people also learning who are having some interest to learn something coding or something programming, because the reason is it's very easy, sir. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. That's why these are the reasons. I'm giving the top three reasons. Top three reasons why Python is becoming popular and why people are learning Python here. Okay, these are the certain reasons are there here. Okay, however, Python is evergreen, sir. So Python is evergreen. Python is evergreen. It is just like an air. You can compare this. Python is just like an air, sir. Air means it is anywhere on the earth. It is anywhere, right? Same way now presently Python also. Okay, we are using in different areas. In different areas we are using. It is flexible code. It is flexible programming, and flexibility is there in the coding also by comparing to other programming, right? So that is why, okay, by comparing to other programming, Python is very, very easy to write, easy to understand, and easy to develop the applications or to write the programs. Everything is it's not a difficult. It's not a difficult. Even kids also can understand the Python coding. Kids also can understand the Python coding, right? Like that. Suppose you can take any small program, okay, any small program, and you can compare with other programming also. If you compare like that, Python coding is very, very easy and easy to understand. That is what. Okay, right. So that's why Python is becoming very, very popular. Okay, and also presently Python we are using in multiple companies like Google, okay, NASA, stock exchange, okay, like that. YouTube people also using WhatsApp Python. There are so many companies are using already WhatsApp Python scripting, Python coding otherwise. Okay, right. So however here, okay, here observe very clearly. Presently Python we are using, right? Python software we are using. Now generally if you talk about Python softwares, okay, Python software, okay, Python softwares. See, generally if you want to work with Python coding, we need to download, sir. First of all you have to download. But however without download also, what, sir, you can do programs. I will show that one also. Through online you can execute Python programs, through offline also you can do that. Everything possible, but I will show a standard format now. Standard format I will show. It is better to follow that format presently. Later depends on requirement. You also can execute the programs in the mobile or laptops or online or offline. That is your wish. Let me follow the standard way. Standard way is what I am going to follow that one. Okay, right. So okay, so later if anybody have some other requirements according to that, okay, I will talk to them. I will discuss with them. Okay, right. So first of all, let me follow the standard way. So first, if you want to work with Python, you have to download the Python software, sir. You have to download the Python software. So that you can download from one official website is called, okay, python.org. This is a what official website. Okay, this is what your official website, sir. Python.org. Okay, so just let me, okay, just let me open this, sir, once. You can type in the Google just what here Python. Okay, python.org, you can type like this. See, sir, you are getting the link here. You are getting the link here, python.org. You also can download. You'll be having some different elements regarding to this site here. But however, I want to go for downloads initially. You can go for what about our all the Python is for Windows, maybe Python for beginners. Something, there are so many out there. Initially, all these are not required. First, you go for what here, downloads. Okay. So whenever you just click on the downloads here, then that site is going to open here like this. This is the official website, sir. Okay, now this is a official website. Okay, here you no need to search anything here. Directly they given what here, they given what here, link. Download the latest version of Python. So presently version is there 3.9.5. Okay, so presently we have what 3.9.5. This is a what current version of Python. Current version of Python, sir. So like that, how many versions are there? How many versions are there? Python versions are how many are there? Let me discuss now. After that, how to download, I will show everything to you. Nothing, sir. Here, if you click here, automatically it will download. There is no doubt at all. There is no problem at all. Here button is there, directly you can click here, automatically downloads. Okay. And suppose it is by default for Windows. It is by default for Windows only, the button. If we have other operating systems, like here you have a links for that. You can find Linux or Unix, Mac. Okay, if there are any other operating systems also, see Windows also is there. This is by default for Windows only. This button is by default for Windows only. If we have instead of Windows other operating systems, you also have the links. You can go, you can click there and you can go there and you can download. No problem at all. However, I hope most of the people are having the Windows here, I think, right? That's it. So that if you have the Windows, directly you can click on this button. Click on this button, automatically downloads. But before downloading, let me discuss here what are the various versions are available, because here it's showing the 3.9.5, right? Like that, how many versions are there? Which version is better to download? which version is better to use, like that. Let me discuss some points regarding to this. Okay, now, right. Let me go for, okay. So, yeah, here some versions are there, sir. Versions of Python software. Okay. So, versions of Python software. See, sir, whatever you are downloading the what Python software from this website, whatever I shown just now, that is the original software, sir. It will not expire after maybe 1 month or 2 months or 6 months or 1 year. It is a permanent valid software. Okay, na? Permanent valid software. You no need to pay a single rupee, okay, to download or to use this software. It is a lifelong will work this original software free of cost. Free of cost, because Python is open source. They are giving free of cost for us, and it is official website. Okay, na? You no need to go for other websites to download this Python software. You may having some malwares in the softwares. I mean Python softwares. If you go for some other sites here, but it is better to go for this official website here. Every Python developers, okay, they will use this this site only, sir, for any queries or anything related to Python here. That's why you people also should follow the same website here. It is better. Okay, now, right. And then you also can use initially this site for downloading the Python software, sir. That's it. So here we have some different versions are available. Let me discuss all the versions. Sir, before going to these versions, actually when this Python development started, who developed? When this Python first time they released it. Okay, so just let me discuss before going to the versions. So generally in the year of 1989, sir. In the year of 1989, Python development was started. Okay, so generally I'm discussing general topic. This is, nobody will not ask when Python started development, what is the year. Okay, nobody will not ask in the interviews. It is just for we should have something idea when it is came. Okay, and also what is the first public release, how many versions are there. Versions are important here. Okay, versions are important. As a part of versions only I'm discussing all this. So versions are important, but these years and all those not required. When particular version is released, nobody will not ask interview also. Okay, na? So I will highlight the interview questions, sir, in our course. Especially I am going to highlight the interview questions also, how they will ask. Okay, so that I am going to cover all the interview questions with live coding. I don't copy paste also further. Once if I start coding, I don't copy paste, because other faculties may copy paste, because they might explain for previous batches. They might having the programs. They may copy paste. They may they may explain the line by line like that. I don't do like that. It is short. Okay, now step by step I am going to explain. Are you getting? Suppose if I copy 1 or 2 lines, means that I mean if I discuss that in the past, then only I am going to copy paste. If it is first time, is I never copy paste. Otherwise you don't think, sir, because sometimes I may copy, print, print function is there. Maybe sometimes I may copy. Sir said, sir, don't copy like that. Sir is copying. Don't think like that. If there is any existing already, if I explain that particular statements, particular program, that only may copy paste. But remaining everything step by step I am going to explain, sir. So that then only you are going to get a clarity. Step by step, if I type the code, then only you are going to understand step by step what is happening. because if you want to become a developer, otherwise programmer, means as a programmer you should know every line, sir. Every line you should know. Suppose your program is having 5 lines, for example, assume that small program is there here. Assume that small program is there, 5 lines code is there here, 5 lines. As a programmer, you should know very clearly about these 5 lines. Okay, very clearly you should know about this what's 5 lines. Suppose you know first 2 lines. Okay, later you know fifth line. You don't know third and fourth line, means okay, it is a complex for you. It makes complex later. You may not get the perfection. But however, you may develop, even though if you don't know these statements, you may copy from somewhere. Developers, most of the developers, what they do means at the time of development, they may copy paste most of the code. But who are copying pasting means they should have the idea about the coding also, minimum. But however, in the real time, what they do, most of the developers, they will copy paste only. If they have, just now I said, if already they have an idea about the coding means, yeah, they know step by step is what. That's why they will copy paste. So here also it is better to learn every line very clearly, so that after getting perfection also you also can copy paste at the time of development. It's not a problem for you. Okay, but before doing that, you should know every instruction very clearly here. In our coding, you are going to know that. Okay, lively I am going to type the programs are here. That is I want to say here. Okay, right. If you want, if for example you are having any friends who are already learned Python in some other place, okay, you also can get some feedback of faculties, how they are teaching, how they given programs there, something like that. You can refer, no problem at all. Okay, na, right. But in my class, okay, here everything is clear for you, sir. I will share the notes also. My notes is there, powerful notes. Such type of notes you never find in anywhere. Even you never find in any websites. Okay, and also you never find in any market also outside. Okay, that type of notes I will provide to you. Don't worry about that. Notes, programs, everything. You also will get the videos, recorded videos, everything you will get, sir. Don't worry about that. Okay, for revision purpose you will get. Okay, right. So that I will give the guarantee for you. Now, okay, this is what, sir, what I do, how I follow, I am telling to you before going to that. That's why here, just your task is you have to continue the class daily, sir. They said recorded videos are shareable, means if you don't present means it's bad. It's better to present the live class. Okay, because I may talk some apart from videos sharing also, I may talk something more here. That's why it's better to attend the live class. Okay, right. However, so like here, Python development started in the year of 1989, and in the year of 1991, sir. Okay, in the year of 1991, what happened means first public of Python. So first public release of Python when means in the year of 1991, sir. Clear? The development started in the year of 1989. Okay, who developed this Python, sir? One person is there, sir. Guido van Rossum. Okay, he is a person, Guido van Rossum, who developed Python coding or Python programming here. Okay, he started development in the year of 1989, and after that, after nearly 2 years, then he released the first time in the market or public. Then later see, this is just like a trial version, sir. First public release means just like a trial version. It no longer use people. Okay, this version or this type of first public release of Python software no longer works. Just like a trial version, like a teaser, something like like that. Okay, movie teaser or movie trailer like that it is. Okay, just like. But later, okay, in the year of 1994, in the year of what year? 1994. So Python 1.0, that is almost Python first version. Okay, this is what's the first Python first version, sir. Python 1.0 version is released in the year of 1994. Okay, next later in the year of 2000, sir. In the year of 2000, okay, Python 2.0. Python what year? 2.0. So generally versions will be like this only, 0.0, 0.1, something like that only. Okay, like Robo 2.0, Robo 2.0, something like that. So versions are like this only. Softwares will be 0.0 something, because later they may release 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, something like that. That's why 0.0 initially. Okay, 2.0 like that. Then later, in the year of 2008, Python 3.0 version is released. Okay, Python 3.0 version is released in the year of 2008. 2008. Now, like this, these are the various versions are available in Python software. Only these. Okay, so we can categorize these three Python softwares into like this, like Python 1.x series. We can say like this, Python 1.x series. Okay, and also Python 2.x series, and then what, Python 3.x series. Like that, 3 series are available presently. Why we are calling here series? Because we also have some subversion. Just now I shown you. Just now, observe here what I said. Python 3.9.5. That's why 3.0. 3.0 is released in the year of 2008. Now 3.9.5 in the 3.x series. Okay, this 3.9.5 is a present one. That's why we are talking about the series here. I hope you people are clear. That's why here we also have some series, sir. The 1.x will be having here like 1.1, 1.2, okay, 1.3, and so on will be having. But presently, this 1.x series is not available, sir. You cannot find this 1.0, 1.0 or 1.1, or all these are not available. In our official website also, you cannot find this. Okay, this series related Python software, because this is totally expired. Okay, now, because tomorrow by confusion, if anybody interviewer asks, did you use Python 1.x version or Python 1.0 version? If they ask like that, you have to give immediately the answer is no, sir, it is already expired. You have to say, because by mistake some people what they do is just for that we call like overconfident people like that. Did you use Python 1.x? Means yeah, I use all versions. I know all versions. They may give this type of answers. This will happen. Okay, overconfident people will be there. They may give this type of answer also. So they are going to understand that, oh, this candidate don't know what are the versions are there, what is the current version is there. Okay, these people don't know, like that he is going to think that. That's why it is important to know at least minimum points about this. Okay, so this is totally 1.x series is expired, sir. It is not presently available. You also can search in the Python. Okay, I will show that, sir. Okay, you also can find I will show that here where we can find all these. I will show that, don't worry. Okay, you also can find, do we have this 1.x series or not? You also can search. It won't available. I will show that. Okay, right. Next, Python 2.x series, sir. In this you will be having 2.0, starting from 2.0, like 2.1, 2.2, like the 2.3, and so on. So presently maybe 2.7 series is going on, sir, in this. Okay. You also may find some subversions 2.3.1, 2.3.2. You may find. Okay, that is the developers can release depends on their requirement after adding some features like that. So, but generally here we are talking the versions like this in the 2.x series 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So presently 2.7. Okay, it's going on. That is next. Okay, presently it is available, sir. It is available. Presently it is available. So presently it is available. Next, sir, we also have Python 3.x series. In this also you can find 3.0, 3.1. You know, just now I shown that directly in the official website it is appearing 3.2, 3.3, and so on. Which version is there? Which one is going, sir? 3.9. I hope 5, right? 5. Just now I shown to you in the website, right? This is right. 3.9.5 is going on, sir. This is the 3.9 version. Okay, this is the latest one. This is the latest one. Like that. So we have various versions and series like that. Presently, it is also available. 3.x also available. Present available, sir. Okay, na? So presently we are using the 2.x and also 3.x. Any version you can use, depends on requirement. Depends on requirement. One thing, some difference are there between these two. Okay, na? If you suppose in our class we follow what means this one only, sir. Mostly this one only, 3.x series only are going to use. Presently we are using the 3.x only. Now, most of the technologies we are using the 3.x series only. Most of technologies. Okay, na? I said, Google, NASA people, okay, this type of candidates, this type of companies, they already started using what, this one. Most of the companies, Google, NASA, Stock Exchange, okay, YouTubers, YouTube people, they already started using this one earlier. But however, they are also using what? This one presently. And one more thing, this may expire. This series may expire in the future. Maybe. Okay, now, but the 3.x is a standard one. So presently it is going on. We are learning the 3.x only now. And one more thing, if you download 2.x series software, any one of these, if you download and install this 2.x series, okay, now that won't support the features of 3.x. Okay, na? Because these two are the individual, otherwise independent. If you for example, if you download 3.9, you won't get to 2.x series related features here. I hope you are clear. Suppose here I am downloading 3.9.5 latest one. 3.9.5 I am downloading, sir. You will get all the features from 3.0 to 3.9, all you will get. But you won't get the features of part this one, observe. You won't get. Same way, vice versa. If you install for example, this is the latest one. If you download 2.7 like that, you will get features from 2.0 to 2.7. But you won't get features of what? 3.x series. Understood? Because these two are different. These two are different. But concepts, programs are same, sir. Concepts, programs are same. Syntaxes are different. Some syntax are different. Those you are going to understand after starting our Python code only. I will show few I will show. So what is the difference between the 2.x and 3.x? Few points I am going to explain to you. Then you will get a clarity. Oh, this is the difference. Like that. Okay, but mostly we prefer what means this one only, sir. Okay, na? We prefer 3.x series only. As a starting, You can download in, I mean, if you want to learn Python starting, you can download any one of these, version or series of Python. Clear, na? Right. So, yeah, this is what about versions, various versions of what here Python, sir. So now presently these 2.x, 3.x are available. Suppose you go for website, you just come down, sir. Otherwise, you also have downloads option is there, right? One button is there, you can find here. Downloads. All releases. If you want to search different series of Python softwares, you can go for this option. Okay. Once if you click here, all releases, okay, then you can find all, sir. Just to come down, maybe, yeah. You can, otherwise you can come down, sir. You observe here. Yeah. Here, observe here. You observe this one, sir. This table you observe. However, you are looking only 3.x series, right? So when it is released, you also have, link, download link also available. Buttons are available here. So something here, something notes also they given. So where is 2.x, sir? Can we check 2.x series, 1.x series, all these? Yeah, let me check. Do you have or not here? So just go for this. Just drop down here. Can we find 2.x here? Yeah, you can see here. Yes. Now come down. You can find more. You can find here 2.7 is there. 2.7 is there. Yeah, 2.7, 3.7, 3.6. Yes, 2.7 in the subversion. There are so many are there. Observe here 2.7 like that. 3.2, 2.6, 3.1, 3.0.1, 2.5, 2.1, 2.1 also available, right? 2.1, 2.0, like all these versions are available. You can download your required one. You can download your required one, sir. So just for downloading, what you do means, suppose I said just now, you can download, you can download by clicking on this button. Okay, you can download directly by clicking on this button, or you also can download, okay, by clicking here. Buttons are available. Okay, now. So if you just click here, downloads. Otherwise, you can click here, downloads. Automatically downloads, sir. In my laptop already I downloaded. Okay, in my laptop already I downloaded, sir. So today what you do means, just you click on this button, you just make it available in your system. All of it, sir. Clear? In that way you can download the latest one. It's better to download the earlier one. 3.9.5 is the latest release. It is better to go for at least 3.8, sir. 3.8 it is better. 3.8 or 3.7 like that also you can download, because while learning Python you also can download 3.7, 3.8. It's enough, any version 3.7 or 3.8, because sometimes what is happening means some latest versions, suppose 3.9.5 is there, some of the latest Windows 10, some Windows are not supporting, in case sometimes. That's why at the time of learning now, what you do, you can go for 3.8, no problem presently. While learning Python, beginners, sir, you can go for 3.7, 3.8. You also can try different one. You try the latest one first of all. In case if there is any problem occurs, then you can go for just past one, 3.8 or 9 like that you can choose. Okay, that is what. So today what to do means, just you can download this software, sir. Tomorrow I will show how to install. Okay, and further I am going to explain the upcoming concepts here. Okay, I hope clear for you people. So thank you. Today I will close. If there are any doubts also you can ask to me, sir. Thank you. Thank you for all.